Great tour. Great food. And great friend, host. Mari did it again. This was last fourth tour with Mari. And for an amazing and wonderful day. All the tours I did were back to back. If someone knows food, then it's Mari. The view of rooftops, food selection and desserts. Absolutely amazing. At this time, you're just hanging out with your friend. She is so caring that when the taxi was called, she made sure I was going to the right location. She actually talked to the driver and sent me off. The best experience I ever had in Manila. From the historical side, Chinatown, food, you name. And the food tour really cannot be more authentic. This place is really where locals go. Thanks so much again, Mari, for a wonderful experience. Your knowledge and professionalism are completely amazing. If you can book all these 4 tours back to back in one day, I encourage to do so. You will not be disappointed at all. Wow, wow, wow. There isn't anything I could flaw with this food tour experience. Mari is a super friendly and attentive host. Very knowledgeable and easy to get on with. It was like hanging out with a friend I'd known for years. What a delight. All of the food stalls we sampled were great, and I tried some very interesting foods I would never have tried if I'd been doing this on my own as a tourist. Got to see the inside lane of where all the locals eat and their local cuisine, which was a superb experience. I cannot recommend this tour enough. In fact, I enjoyed my time so much with Mari that I'm going to book in again, this time but doing an evening rooftop bar crawl with her next time round. Overall, a 5-star experience. A must-try when visiting Manila. If like me you've passed many street food stalls and been tempted to sample things, but never quite sure what to ask for or what it is you might be eating, then this tour is perfect for you. I had such a wonderful time on the street food tour with Mari. She is such a caring and friendly person, who is passionate about her city and country. I thoroughly enjoyed her conversation and enthusiasm, which made this tour so special. We sampled several different types of local food with a variety of flavors, had a local drink, and finished with a delicious refreshing dessert called Halo Halo. I would highly recommend you book this street food tour, or any of the others Mari offers, as she is such a wonderful host. Mari is a truly passionate, energetic, and caring guide with the culture, history, and incredible foods of the Philippines. She will give you the confidence to try foods that most Westerners would not touch with her energetic explanation and infectious smile. Balut is a great example. Google it if you don't know what it is. Smile. Mari's knowledge and explanation has given me the confidence to expand my food explorations in the Philippines, and I am incredibly grateful to her for this. Thanks, Mari, and I hope you expand to other areas and tours of your beautiful country. Your energy needs to be shared with as many people as possible. Mari was a wonderful guide. Warm, friendly, and always quick with fun, informative facts. She's a big foodie and took us to eat delicious Filipino food that we continue to crave, like bulalo and bulo pie. It was an enjoyable experience trying out the unique dishes that I would never have back in Singapore, such as balut, grilled pig's blood, and chicken intestines. Highly recommend booking with her, especially if you're looking for more than a tour guide. You'll feel like longtime friends after. This was my second tour with Mari. She's a great tour guide. Very professional, knowledgeable, and fun. She customizes the experience for her guests, being flexible with each group she meets up with. The Makati Filipino street food experience was incredible. We tried many unusual and, by US standards, exotic foods. I was even inspired, with a bit of prodding, to try the famous traditional Filipino fertilized egg, and it was great. She's the best. I recommend her most highly.